Hello guys, welcome back. I told you I would let you follow along as I put this Holley Sniper EFI on. Right now, I've got it sitting down on my intake. I didn't figure you guys needed to watch me take the quadrijet off because most people can be watching this are people that have some mechanical skills. But anyway, after emailing back and forth from the guys I bought this from, which are representatives of Holley, they assured me that if I bought the plate that is up under it right now, that I should not have a problem. This is a spread bore quadrijet intake. It's original to the car, 1970. The issue I have is this thing will only go quarter throttle. After looking at it, I know why. We're going to set this off to the side for a minute. This plate here is the one they told me to purchase, and I did for an extra 20 bucks. No big deal on that. Said the carburetor would work fine, or the fuel injection system will work fine on the quadrijet intake. After I had to modify this to get it to fit over the studs, which were supposed to have been with the kit, were not. I had to purchase studs. With the gasket down, this gasket down, they're still hitting this. I'm going to have to purchase a quadrijet to Holley adapter plate, which is about an inch or inch and a half thick. I don't have an issue with that. What I have an issue with is these people telling me if I bought this, it would bolt directly to mine with no problem. It'll bolt up, but it won't work. So after I get all this done, order some more parts, I'll get back. I still have the wiring and all to go. Only thing I've done was hook the fuel lines up so far and put the O2 sensor in. But as soon as I'm done with this job, then I'm going to give a review on this. And then we'll see where it goes from there. As far as the product itself, I will see. I hope I'm well pleased with it. But at this point in time, I'm aggravated over this thing not bolting directly like they said it would. You tell me plug and play, it should be plug and play. If I have to have an adapter, so be it. I bought their adapter. The number they claimed would work with it from the people I purchased the EFI system from. Oh yeah, it'll work. It'll work. That's what they told me. It will work. Bullshit. It's not working. I'm having an issue. Now I'm going to have to call the parts place and wait an extra 2 days to get my adapter so this thing will work properly. So if any of you are putting this on a Pontiac engine, 350 up to a 455, and you're taking a quadrijet off, buy the adapter plate to go from a quadrijet to a Holley carburetor. That's the only way it'll work, unless you just want a quarter throttle all the time. That's up to you. But right now, I'm highly disappointed in the fitment of it. We'll see about the overall performance of it when I'm done. Thanks, guys.